Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Nurse Cooking Cave. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. For this recipe we need rice, carrot, beans, onion, chili, spring onions, 2 egg, Maggi fried rice masala. Add all veggies in a pan. Then add black pepper, white pepper, vinegar, Maggi masala and chili flakes. Add coriander powder. Then scramble the eggs. Add salt in scrambled eggs. Mix veggies and scrambled eggs together. Fry it. Then add rice in it. Then mix it well. And the fried rice was ready.